The model checker is another one of the tools that's been updated with the BIM interoperability tool revamp. So to start off with, we go into Setup, and if we've already got a file that we've created before, we can go to the browser and find it. If not, we can use any of the preset template files as a starting point, which we can then edit to suit our needs. So what we're looking for is the general COBie extension validation. So we select that and we say OK. Once loaded, it then has a list of all the checks it's going to do on your model or on your project. So the first thing we want to do is to say what's included or not included. So we want just the stuff that's included in COBie. Then with each of these, we can check, and not only can we check, we can take out the ones that we don't want. So we don't want electrical, pipe, and switch systems, because we didn't have any of those. But we can also delve deeper. If we select the facility, for example, it tells us what it is actually looking for in the facility and gives us a list of all the different things. So, for example, if we don't have area measurement, currency unit, volume units as checks, then we can take them out. And similarly with floor, it's got a few settings in there created on. We'll say that we do have a description, and then spaces, whether it has room tags in there as well, usable height, I think that was one of the ones that we got in there, and perhaps a gross area, and so on. And we go down and we choose all of the different settings for each of the categories. So we can do a few more. So we continue down the list, and then we come to the field formatting, and that's just making sure that the options that we're choosing are in the correct format. So for example, if we go to floor, it just says height, space, it's got usable height. It's also got whether it's uniclass, and that's what we want it as. So we can choose the uniclass, and there are two types. So it's the uniclass 2015 has now been added. And the same with the type as well. And the same with the system. And that's an important feature, as we used to have to edit this file, get it to look for the correct uniclass category. Okay, under pick lists, there's a few other settings in there. Okay, and once we're happy with that, we can say save and close. And now we're ready to run our report.